Start by spraying down the inside, including the glass plate and the inside of the door with kitchen cleaner. Remove the glass plate and spray with kitchen cleaner where it was sitting. Wipe down the inside of the door and the front inside edge of the microwave. Be sure to use the green rag. Wipe down the inside of the microwave by moving from back to front. Clean the glass plate and put back in the microwave. You will clean the outside of the microwave when you clean the other appliances.